Thank you for riding with Mo Mountain Mutts. Would you guys like a complimentary beef liver with your bus ride? Up front here we have Slade, Amaru, Lucy, Echo, Jake, Mina, Tater, Fiona, Lady, Gandalf, Lentil, and the new kid back here, Sabbath. Fun fact, Sabbath and Slade are first cousins. And Echo and Gandalf are litter mates. And Lentil and Murray are also litter mates. There's some Murray's morning crew, he's not in this group. Yeah, there's relatives. Also Carol and Amaru are also cousins. We used to walk Yarrow, who is also related to them. It's always fun when you get family members riding together. Welcome aboard, new boy. Thank you for riding with Mo Mountain Mutts. Do you guys like a complimentary beef liver with your bus ride? Yeah? Up front here, we have Carl, Louie, Chewy. Oh, your sister's trying to steal that. There you go. Good boy, Chewy. Sadie. Goodness. Rocky. Coho. He likes the softer treats. He doesn't have front teeth. Let's see. Little tiny little baby pieces. Buster. Alright, Coho, let's see. He ate this yet. Do you need a softer, smaller piece? Here. Yeah, good boy. Noted. Beef liver a little too firm for you, Toothless. Please stay in your seats until we get to your house. Paws to yourself. Tails out of the aisle. You are in the emergency exits. Are we willing and capable of offloading pups at a remote chance of an emergency? Chewy's got it.